Hello, friends. In any civilized society or during the process of administration of justice, the noble concept of natural justice will be applied. This natural justice has two key principles. Its first principle is nemo judex in causa sua. It means that nobody can become a judge in his own cause. It is a rule against bias. For example, if one Mr. A is accused of theft, during trial, if that particular A himself is made as a judge to decide that case, definitely that A will say that no, it is a rubbish, false allegation, no such thing had happened. A had not committed any theft. So, one cannot become a judge in his own cause. That has to be decided by an impartial third person. The second principle of natural justice is that audi alteram partem. It means that hear the other party, because nobody shall be condemned without giving them an opportunity to say what they intend to say, or their plea, their defense, their version must also be heard. Every coin will have two sides. So this principle of audi alteram partem is based on the concept of fairness in rendering justice. So these are the two basic principles of natural justice. Nobody can become judge in his own cause. In every case, both sides shall be heard. Just for example, any public authority or local authority like Gram Panchayat, municipal council or a municipal corporation, if it demolishes the house or compound of any private individual without giving him any prior notice, without hearing his objection, or without giving him an opportunity to say anything about that matter, that will be grave violation of principles of natural justice. Such actions are actionable per se, that aggrieved individual can claim hefty damages against those authorities for not following the principles of natural justice. So natural justice is one of the golden thread which runs in the process of administration of justice in all the civilized societies of the world. Thank you.